Oh my goodness, that is so easy. I'm kind of speechless. I didn't think it was going to be that good. You need this software. Hi guys, Kyle here, and I'm iOS photographer. Now today I want to talk to you about a brand new piece of editing software that I just picked up called Luminar 4. Now I've seen many people blown away by this software, so I wanted to try it out for myself. The main reason I wanted to get it was for sky replacements. It's as easy as one click of a button. So let's test that out. Now opening up Luminar 4, you can see that I've already ingested a few photos on the left-hand column. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with this drone shot from Cornell College in Mount Vernon, Iowa. I just captured this a few days ago. Now moving over to the right-hand button, I'm going to click on the Creative tab. Opening that up, you can see that the first tab is AI Sky Replacement. Let's just go ahead and select the first sky and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that is so easy. Man, you can see there's no fringing around these areas. That is seamlessly done. Wow, that's just one photo, but it's as advertised. One click of a button and you can change the sky. That is too easy. Before, you can see it's just kind of a boring sky. Nothing really interesting there. And with one click, you now have a beautiful white puffy cloud day. That was incredibly easy, but that was just the first photo. Let's go with a photo that might be a little bit more complicated. I'm going to go with this shot that I got out at a farm in Springville, Iowa. Not much information in the sky. It's very kind of boring, but I do like the photo. Let's see if we can make this a little bit more interesting. Now, it wouldn't make any sense to go with blue sky or bright blue sky because this is in the dead of winter. So let's try Dramatic Sky 4. Again, that was so simple. But the one thing I noticed in this photo is that it actually is bleeding a little bit into our horizon line, which doesn't make any sense. Let's zoom in to really highlight this. So if you see over here, this is ground, and we're getting a little bit of the sky on the ground here. So we're going to have to fix that. It's not as good as the last photo where it knew exactly where to start and stop the sky, but I feel like we can really easily touch this up. So what we're going to do is go into Edit Mask, and let's go with Gradient. Let's turn this way. Let's line up our horizon right about there. Perfect. And let's just bring this down till we're there. I'm trying my best to line this bottom line right here with the land. All right. Let's go ahead and click off of that. And now we can see there's no more sky on the land in this photo. All right, let's go ahead and zoom back out. Man, again, just one click of a button dramatically changes what this photo looks like. That is super easy. That is so simple. If you're a landscape photographer, you need this software. This makes life so much easier. Let's go ahead and move down to the next photo. Now this shot is actually pretty interesting. I got this a few years back at a winery, but I was actually filming, so this is a video clip that I made into a JPEG. I wanted to see how well this software works with not a very high-res photo. So let's find out. Let's go ahead for this one and choose Bright Blue Sky 3. Again, just one click of a button. And man, it is just as simple as that. It is as advertised. It is one push of a button and you can replace the sky seamlessly. You can see all through these leaves, through this vine, even through these little holes. It is seamless. I'm kind of speechless. I didn't think it was going to be that good. This is insane. All right, let's just go ahead and do the last two photos here. This is a drone shot from Iowa City at Wilson's Apple Orchard. I love doing drone shots, but sometimes you're just left with a really uninteresting sky. I really like this landscape shot, but just the sky does nothing for me. So let's see what we can do. This time I'm going to use one of my photos of a sky to see how well the software works with these photos. Clicking on sky selection and going all the way to the bottom, you can load in your skies. I'm going to go ahead and select this blue sky with clouds panoramic. That's not too bad, but let's go ahead and slide things around this time just to see what the software does. So let's go ahead and move horizontal blend. Let's go ahead and move that all the way up, or a lot of the way up, I should say. So as you can see, it's trying to blend this horizon line with the sky. Let's bring that all the way back down. As you can see, it's pretty harsh. It's like you can see kind of the cutout if we blend it. So let's send that all the way back up again. It actually adds like a haze, like a natural haze to the horizon. I actually like that a lot. The only other thing I really want to change with this photo is maybe the temperature. Now this was a really nice blue sky day, so I think I'm going to make it a little bit more blue sky. I'm not going to go too crazy. I feel like that's the right temperature. Okay. I actually like where this photo is. And let's see the before and after of this photo. Kind of a boring blue sky day is the original. And with one click of a button, a few adjustments, man, that is incredible. Let's try one more photo. And this time I'm picking something a little bit more complicated with the skyline. I'm going to use this photo here of Woodpecker Trail in Iowa City from this previous fall. The reason I'm picking this photo is because the tree line at the top here has a lot of branches. So I want to see how well this software will do in adding a new sky with a complicated horizon line. For this photo, let's just go ahead and go with Blue Sky 2. Oh my goodness. And here I thought that was going to be complicated. Man, let's see the before and after. Here's before, here's after. Here's before, here's after. Man, this is the easiest software I've ever worked with. Let's zoom in 100% and see what the image looks like up close. As you can see, the clouds have been seamlessly added to this photo. This would take a lot of time to do in Photoshop. The fact that you can do this with a simple click of a button is outstanding. Let's check that before and after again. Kind of just a standard overcast day in Iowa. And after, we had this beautiful blue sky with white puffy clouds. Like I said earlier, if you're a landscape photographer, I highly recommend you checking out this software. It is incredible and super easy to use. In the comment section down below, let me know if you'd like to see a Photoshop tutorial on sky replacements. Maybe I can do that as my next video. Until then, I've been Kyle. I'm Iowa's photographer. Thanks for watching.